Everybody, good morning. So I'm here in the province and today we are going to make a vlog like a corn farm vlog today. I'm going to show you guys our corn farm. So we don't have any rice farm or rice field. So my father is there, so I'm just gonna go up there. This is our farm here. So if you notice, there's so many grass. So that is the corn, and I guess my father is here. This is not that big. It's kind of like, oh, there, my father. Ituli na si Gian. Tiko ng syagit.
Yabaw?
Syagit lolo! Di ba, madungog siya dito ng syagit ganina. Gikuptan. Daghang kakupot daw. Dito naman siya, weng. Siya yung mama lula!
Dihag mga mangod.
Naguna ko siguro. Kaya na to patuli hirayan eh. Patanawon to.
Dapat unsang ato unara to.
Di unara dagay.
Tulili unara pun harayan.
Di kunong syagit eh. Ha? Pero tambok ra biyang mais oh.
Tambok ra mo. Kuara gani man nga kuara gyud di.
Wala man gadalag.
Oh, di kini kulang na apit naman nimo banayo. Katubin ni dalag nga mais ba.
To mo pay pag abot. Dalawa na to. So this is the new one here. So usually there is a corn here they plant 3 days ago. So it doesn't show yet. So I hope it will be raining so that there's no more problem and it will grow fast. So it's kind of like a little bit big in here. So on this line we put the corn. So yeah, so far this is the farm here that we can use our water buffalo, or how do you say that, what, carabao. And this one is the old one, and there are some corn, only few, because during when we plant this one there's no rain. So yeah, so I'm gonna bring you out there. I'm gonna bring you to another farm that is not like this. Not like this. Let's say kaingin. Kaingin means you need to use your hand, not the water buffalo, to take off the grass and to plant corn. So it's kind of like a hard work when we say kaingin farm. because you need to use your hand in planting. Other, he used his hand to take out the grass and yeah, to clean up the corn plant, to clean up around the corn plant. So this is our, I don't know if you guys can relate this. Unara ko pa! Let's go to the farm, the Kaingin farm. Kaingin farm is, as what I have explained, it kind of like a farm that, you need to put a lot of effort, hard work, time, and everything. Pressured. Strong. You need to be strong. Anyway. So that's our house in that part. Now if we wanted to dug water, it should be like in here, like on that spot. It's because there's no there's no stone, and yeah, it's kind of like most of it is soil, so it's gonna be perfect one for well dug. So yeah, I am here. I'm here na guys. Wait lang. Farm. And yeah. This is the farm, the Kaingin farm that I am talking. So how can you use your water buffalo in here? Since the type of land, it's kind of like this. So you cannot use it. You need to use your hand. Hello, baby corn. Whew. Wow. Whew. It's gonna be like, it's very, very katol. My goodness. There. I'm here in the Kaingin farm. So as you notice, on that on that part, it's kind of like big, and on this part, it's small. It's because when we plant on the first batch, and there's no rain, so we need to stop planting. Okay, so we're waiting for the rain to stop waiting for the rain. So yeah, that's what happened. So it's not equal, so I'm here in in the other farm of my dad. This is the second one, and I just noticed there are so many maize that is eaten by with the worm or things like that. I'm so thirsty. Wait. If you notice, it's kind of like this one. It's kind of like it was eaten by a worm. So this is a problem in here, guys, because your corn is very healthy. So I see some poop of worm. So I guess they were just living in this stem right here. And the same case with this. If you saw this one like this, the leaves, it was attacking by it was eaten by the worm. So in that case, you need something to spray on the stem. Actually, you should spray the corn before it's getting worse like this. like this, guys. If you have seen this one, so it was fully eaten by the worm, I guess. Yeah, can you see it or not? So yeah, this is my father's farm, and this one is, we did not apply fertilizer because we haven't tried fertilizer in this area. And once you put a fertilizer on the corn, you should do that. Do it, I mean, every time you do plant, you need to put fertilizer on it. So yeah. So now, let's talk about farming here. So there are some parts, actually, there are some farm that you don't have to put fertilizer. So a type of soil and a type of farm like this, usually you don't have to put soil, or no, you don't have to put fertilizer, because once you put fertilizer, it's kind of like you need to put two on the other batch of farm, I mean in the other batch of corn, and so on and so on. So yeah, and the other parts of the other farm like really requires for fertilizer, the one that I show you, because the type of soil that is not really healthy. So yeah, but this farm, both a farm that we have, this we did not own this one. So since we did not own this one, every time we do have like a harvest, the owner, they have their parts, they have their share. So let's say for example, it should be by sack. Example, 3 sacks of corn for the planters or the farmers, and 1 sack of corn for the owner. So if you own the property, you can do whatever you want. You know, you can farm big as you want. So yeah, anyway, this is just our source of living, one thing also aside from making charcoal. And yeah, we survive here. This is the way I live, the way we live here. So we don't have any rice field, because once again, if you have rice field, it's just the same process, the same condition as what I have mentioned. The owner should give, or should have like a share, because you plant on their properties, so they should have corn or rice in return. So yeah, it's just sad to say, because the corn in here, it's kind of like healthy, but it was attacked with a lot of worm. So yeah, in this case, if there is some grass grow in here, or any kind of plants that is not a corn, of course you need to take that off, or take it, or pick it, or yeah, take it and kill it. So in this part, in this kind of farm, you need to use manual, you need to use your hand on picking those grass, because you cannot use the water buffalo in here, because there's so many rocks. You know, there's so many rocks. You need a lot of effort and time and strength. Yeah, because usually if you are, you know, if you really wanted to make your corn healthy, then you need to take off all the grasses, you know, that wrap on the stem, or yeah, around the stem, around the corn stem. All right, so it's so hot. Yeah, so This is where we get our water to drink. Not here, but in here. I don't know if you see it, but yeah, this is where we get our water. At the same time, this is where we wash our clothes and taking a bath at the same time. The reason it's very dangerous for now, it's so many leeches. Yeah, it has many leeches in here. I just couldn't see it. Usually they will come out if they will smell like a soap. So I guess that would be our first vlog, and this will be our this is the last this is the end of my vlog. Thank you so much, and for those supporting me, thank you so much, guys. I really appreciate that. And yeah, just let me know if you wanted me to make a vlog, something that is from the province. I would be honored to do that. So thank you so much for supporting my channel. I love you all.